The City of Watertown will not pay for Council Member Cliff Olney to have a lawyer at an ethics hearing. Olney and Council Member Lisa Ruggiero voted for a resolution to cover his legal costs, but Council Members Ben Schoen, Robert Kimball, and Mayor Sarah Pierce opposed it. After being asked, the city's lawyer said Olney should recuse himself from the vote, but he chose not to. The ethics hearing is over a complaint filed against Olney, alleging he made private information public. Olney said the vote sets a bad precedent.
Anyone thinking about running for city government here, that they could be brought up on charges by anybody in the public or anyone that doesn't agree with them politically, and they would be without counsel, and what would their choices be?
If an employer is charging an employee with some sort of malfeasance, in no business will the employer ever cover the employee's legal defense if they're being charged with wrongdoing against the employer.
Council also voted to hire Hancock and Estabrook out of Syracuse to represent the city during the hearing because its current law firm is named in the complaint. We also learned that the New York Conference of Mayors, or NYCOM, notified the city it will not give an opinion on the ethics case.